Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. And today we're giving away free watch face codes. So make sure you comment on the watch faces down in the description box. And we're giving away 2 codes per person, 5 people. So make sure you comment and good luck. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of watch faces we want you to check out that I think is really nice. It's by a developer named Vacuum 2. The name of this watch face is called Altair Orb. Very nice looking watch face. In the always on mode, it has this beautiful, elegant look that I love. And when the watch face is on, I'm liking this blue effect that this watch face has. It really brings out this analog look. And in the center of the watch, I really like the animation and the blue that's going on dead center. Now, if you look up at the top, you're going to get your date and your month. You come all the way down to the bottom, you're going to be able to tap in and get your battery info as well. And you also get shortcuts on both sides of the bezel. Get your weather. You can also go into your favorites, send a text message. And in the center, you're going to get your steps and your heart rate. And if I tap there, I can get more information on my steps and calories burned. I really thought this was a good look. What do you think, guys? Is this a good look or not? Hit me in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Number 2. Now, number 2 is called Iirdium. Very nice look and always on mode. I like the detailing. I like the design of it as well. And when the watch face is on, you get a digital look. You get all the info you can ever want in the watch face. You get your steps up at the top. Also, you got a battery meter up top as well. You also get animated seconds. If you come all the way down, you get your month, your date, and also you get shortcuts. And they're also interactive. Again, if I want my weather, I can get my weather. Single tap. If I tap on the right, also I can go into my contacts, my favorites, and I can make a phone call right from there. So I'm liking this look. I'm liking this look that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. Very different, very unique. I'm thinking it's a little stylish. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Again, I'm going to say, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, as it does help my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.